Hi there, it's Kaylin Niels with SeaTac Lighting and Controls, bringing you another edition of the Lowdown on Lockdown. And remember, I'm not great at Microsoft Office or PowerPoint, but when it comes to spreadsheets, I excel. Wait, don't go. I'll stop making jokes. Here we've got the Halo Commercial PR series of downlights on this edition of the Lowdown on Lockdown. First up, we have the standard PR4, PR6, and PR8. Now keep in mind, these are the different aperture sizes and they're all color and lumen selectable. So on the dip switch for each of those fixtures, you're looking at 3000K, 3500K, or 4000K as far as color temp goes. As far as lumen selectability, for low lumen package, you can choose between 1000, 1500, and 2000 lumens. The high lumen package is 2000, 3000, or 4000 lumens. So the only thing is you have to choose which lumen package you're going to go with. There's also a reversible flip lens for medium or wide distribution, all in that lens, so it's interchangeable and that comes inherent. Then you also have wall wash available as well. This comes with a remodeler option that is using the same frame and can. It just converts with removing the bar hangers. Here's a quick application shot of the PR6 in action in that training room with the grass wall, it looks like. Then to the right, you can see the difference between the different LED modules, depending if you want the low lumen output options or the high lumen output. So the one on the right obviously has a bigger heatsink for the higher lumen packages, ranging from 2000 to 4000 lumens on the dip switch. Along with the new construction or remodeler using that same can, you also have retrofit kit options with the 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch PR series. You're going to order that as a retrofit kit plus the LED module, depending on if you want the higher lumen package or the lower one. Another nice feature about the PR series is you have a surface mount option available with all three aperture sizes. So you're going to get the same color and lumen selectability out of the standard PR series downlights. You're just going to order it as a surface cylinder plus that LED module. In that bottom right photo, you can see the difference between the sizes with the heatsink on the low lumen package versus the higher lumen package. And if you weren't excited before, get excited now. We also have square trims available with the 4-inch and 6-inch apertures. Here's a quick application shot of one of those square trims in a hotel lobby. And without boring you too much about the square trim options with the 4-inch and 6-inch PRS series, it is non-conductive, so it's dead front for shower ratings, all of those being. And you can get shallow or deep trim options, and the same lenses are interchangeable if you want to go medium or wide. You can also do wall wash. And as a friendly reminder, we do have an updated homepage at setaclighting.com. At the top right, you'll see a Seattle stock link. That actually will take you to a weekly updated list of what we have in our Sumner, Washington location. And the PR series, we do have a couple different PR cans, modules, and trims there, so check it out. Again, this is Kaylin Niels over at SeaTac Lighting and Controls. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of our Lowdown on Lockdown. If you enjoyed it, feel free to reach out and let me know. If you didn't, I take no responsibility for anything said or explained in this video. At any rate, have a good one, take care, and we'll see you next time.